Welcome friends, we have so beautiful and an amazing pictures here. We are trying to make it so awesome. Here I would change the tone of her skin. As you could see that its color have been changed. Now I would after application of lipstick I would blush the picture. It have been blushed guys, as you could watch that. Now I could apply that contour options on the photo. So guys, it have been contoured. Here we could apply eyelashes, eyeshadow, and at that point we could make the image highlighted. So that thing have been done successfully. Now we could change the hair color of it. So friends, different kinds of hair colors we could try on it, and I have to select that one color for her hairs.